Were you as annoyed as the senators at Gina Acosta?
Well, no, Ses, I've been practicing for how many years? Ayoko na sabihin nilang decades. Pero this is expected from a witness who is hostile, who is prepared by, not by the prosecution, but obviously prepared by the defense. Tama yung sinabi ni, kanina narinig natin, Senator, ex-Senate President Tito Soto. It's a template eh. Kahit anong tanong, kahit papanong tanungin, isa lang ang kanyang turo kay La Chica. Isa lang ang kanyang sasabihin, confidential. But you have to remember, Ses, confidential funds does not mean an excuse for you to spend everything. It does not mean an excuse for you not to be accountable for. Parang yun ang gusto niyang palabasin eh. Confidential, so wag mo nang tanungin. Hindi ganon eh. Hindi ganon eh. It's not that way. That's why nga there is the COA guidelines, yung sinasabi niyang 2015 guidelines, for how to spend and how to liquidate and how to report confidential funds. Klaro naman na hindi niya sinusunod. Sad to say, with all of her statements, how can she now excuse herself from criminal liability later on in the Ombudsman and in the Sandigan Bayan?
So, pinain na siya ni Vice President. Pwede ba nating sabihin yun? Sinakripisyo na siya.
Sinakripisyo siya, but she was a willing, she was a willing
sacrificial
lamb because obviously with whatever she's saying, alam niya na mali yung ginagawa and she still played her part. Klaro-klaro naman, even kung makikita natin her demeanor, even yung pag ang nagtatanong si Ligutan na sila mismo, naririnig natin, nagbibisaya sila eh. Pero pagkausap niya in defense, hindi nga siya Bisaya, Tagalog.
At saka English.
May English pa.
Ang mga tanong, actually.
Plus,
so I'm sorry, I have to interrupt you there. The defense did not make any attempt to hide. Kasi ang bibilis ng questions, English, and yet...
Kaya nga, parang canned ang answers, canned ang questions, canned ang response. And anywhere however you ask, kahit hindi yun yung tanong, ang sagot lang niya is, kahit hindi responsive na sa tanong, pareho yung kanyang sagot. It is because it is implemented by La Chica and its confidential funds. We have to remember, Ses, the COA is clear. The Special Disbursement Officer is responsible. Okay. She is confusing disbursement from implementation. And implementation and disbursement are not synonymous. Hindi siya iisa. Magkaibang ibig sabihin nun. At the end of the day, ang responsable dyan si Acosta. Kasi hindi
ba si VP as head of agency?
Yes.
In fairness to her, she also mentioned naman at the instructions of the VP.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? Her statements, do they point to the VP?
Yeah, that is very clear that both are accountable. And sinabi rin ng COA ito that the head and agency cannot escape accountability. So malinaw yon. So accountable yung SDO, accountable yung head of agency, at later on, kung mapatunayan na hindi naman dinisburse ng tama ni Acosta, ni La Chica. Kasi nga, ang mabigat na tanong doon, yung tanong ni Presiding Officer Cheese, is he a recipient? Kasi
is he the final recipient?
Hindi naman siya yung babayaran eh. Kasi kahit titignan mo doon sa plano, wala nga yung pangalan ni La Chica doon eh. So, hindi man siya talaga bibigyan doon. So, yun ang tanong, bakit mo binigay doon? At klaro, doon papasok yung sabi mo nga, si VP Sara, because sinabi niya, order ni VP Sara. But as a disbursement...
Consistent naman siya doon.
Yeah, but as a disbursement officer, dapat itanong niya, ma'am, bawal po ito. Ma'am, hindi po ito nasa guidelines. But obviously,
yun na yung gawain nila.
Without admitting na yun yung gawain nila sa Davao, parang lumalabas na sanay siya sa ganitong paraan. Na, yun nga, kasi confidential.
Parang tigatali lang siya ng amounts eh.
Which,
diba? Parang tiga-add lang.
Sadly nga, hindi ganon ang, kaya nga, you have to remember, ang SDO, ang Special Disbursement Officer, is bonded. Kasi kung may mali kang ginawa, o kung meron kang negligence na ginawa, ikaw ay responsible doon sa ginastos mo o doon sa perang pinagkatiwala sa iyo. You have to remember that the burden of proof is on the disbursement officer. Kasi you are accountable. Pinagkatiwalaan ka ng pera. So ngayon, patunayan mo kung saan mo ginastos.